the 2025-2026 parliamentary year will begin today, Thursday, February 12, 2026, with the ceremonial opening of Parliament at Gordon House on Duke Street in downtown Kingston. This tradition began in 1962 at the first opening of Parliament for newly independent Jamaica. You can expect much pomp and pageantry, with over 200 national security officers participating in their ceremonial uniform. The event usually includes the arrival of the government officials and dignitaries following the table of precedence. Mounted escorts for the Governor General's arrival. This is usually followed by the traditional inspection of the Guard of Honor. This state ceremony involves a general salute and inspection of the line as the Governor General, His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen, walks down the ranks of the military guard. The Governor General would deliver the throne speech at a joint sitting of the Parliament. This is called a joint sitting because both members of the upper and lower houses of Parliament will be in attendance. The houses usually conduct their parliamentary sessions separately. After the ceremony, the House of Representatives, or lower house, will convene at 2 p.m. for the tabling of the 2025-2026 estimates of expenditure. The proceeding is being broadcast live by the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica, the PBCJ.